Hello and welcome to Tribe Topper. In this video session, you are going to learn about turning on a horizontal road. So here you can see there is a car taking a turn on a horizontal road. So the moment this car takes this turn, what are the forces that are acting on this car? So the forces are clearly labeled here. One is the weight of the person of the car acting downwards. The other is the normal reaction it receives upwards. And the third is the force of friction between the wheels and the road acting towards the center of the circle. So this provides it the necessary centripetal force. So we have a simple expression that the centripetal force mv square by r is provided by the force of friction, that is mu times r. And since r is exactly equal to mg, therefore mv square by r is equal to mu times mg. Your m and m cancels out and we are left with v square is equal to mu rg, or we would say v is equal to square root of mu rg. So this expression decides the maximum safe velocity for the car to take a turn on a horizontal road. Now we can see that this depends on one, the coefficient of friction. So if the coefficient of friction is high, your force of friction would be higher. But when your tires are worn out, the coefficient of friction will reduce, or on a wet surface, the coefficient of friction will reduce. So your safe permissible velocity will also decrease. Or if you want to maintain a high velocity, you can take a turn of a bigger radius. You never try to do a turn like a steep turn like this. You will always take a little bigger curve. So bigger the radius, you will have a bigger velocity permissible. So we can say that the maximum permissible speed for a car while taking a horizontal turn on a horizontal road is v is equal to mu root of mu times r times g. So that is all in this video session. In the next video session, you are going to learn about the banking of roads. Thank you.